What's good, everybody? Welcome back to Boring Crypto. Today I'm just going to give you guys a brief update on VRA or Veracity. So I'm pretty sure before Thanksgiving I tried to make a video on this, and that is why the chart is all marked up. So I'm just going to leave it as is, and we're just going to look at the monthly. So far this month has been pretty shitty. I thought November was going to be, the best month ever, but I guess, you can be wrong. So first, let's just go ahead and go over my previous updated video on VRA. There's a potential. I think an easy way to get in would definitely be to set a buy order at 0.05, 0.06 still. I could see price could go up from here, but I could also see it dip down into 0.058 and possibly down here at 5.5 cents. Seems like something that would make sense. Another target still right at 5 cents and where these areas are wicking, and also this September high, which is pretty close. Think of the zone as just, a big buy area. Anything under 6 cents, in my opinion, is going to be a clear buy. Okay, now that you guys heard, I know that I said 5.5 cents was a buying point for me. Anything under 6 cents would be a great buy. So the idea is, hey, we're in this buy zone. I don't really think it can get much worse than this, but if things do get worse, then your best bet to buy will be here at 0.45. I think it's safe to buy now, and I think it's safe to wait until 5.5 cents. You might be able to get it, but currently, it's looking like a juicy buy. I still have that 21 cents, so from here, about 300%. Not bad. So sorry for not letting you guys know that I'd be gone on Thanksgiving. I didn't post any update, but I'm here to let you guys know that I am still here and I'm still analyzing these charts. So thanks for watching, and thanks for all the incredible support. I'm up to 250 subs. You guys are the best. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. Let me know what coins you guys want me to analyze next, and I'll see what I can do for you. Alright, peace.